Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I came across a post that talks about Udacity Nano degree program and how you can take it for free. You hear me? For free. So in as much as this cannot be, you cannot use this one to do the actual Nano degree program because the actual Nano degree program have projects, it have career guidance, and it have other things. But this one, from this Nano degree that I'm about to share to you, you will access all the contents of the classes for free. But your projects won't be supervised, and you won't be able to ask the instructor question. But you have access to all the information, all the classes, everything. So let's go through the post now. Okay, so I think I put the link. Okay, this is the link. You can Udacity Nano degree. I saw it on GitHub. So let's go to GitHub. Open link. Now, based on what I've said before, you can say Udacity. Let's go through the roots. Udacity offers some great content in their Nano degree programs. If you don't have the money or just don't want to pay for them, you can take many of the courses for free. You can hear that. You can take many of the courses for free. Why it is no substitute for the actual Nano degree programs, which include project reviews. I've said this earlier, additional students and career guidance, and a job guarantee. Like I said earlier as well, there is some great content available for learning. Now, let's look at it. Let's look at the Nano degree programs. Now, this is the table of contents. We have the intro to programming. We have front-end web developer Nano degree program. Like now, you want to become a front-end web developer by taking the courses. By taking the courses under this front-end web developer, you are good to go. You are good to go. Because it is not about the certificate, it's about what you have upstairs, what you can do with that certificate. It's about the skills. So if you can take your time to study it, to watch all the videos, to do some of the projects, you are good to go. You have something to show for it. Then the full stack web developer Nano degree program is also there as well. So let's look at this one after the other. We have the full stack senior web developer Nano degree program. We have data structures and algorithm Nano degree. We have the data analyst Nano degree. We have machine learning engineer Nano degree program. We have predictive analytics for business Nano degree. Android basics Nano degree program. Android developer wants to build apps for all these our Android phones. iOS developer Nano degree program. He wants to build apps for iPhone. Mobile game developer Nano degree, like all these people using Unity to create all these video games and so on. And tech entrepreneur Nano degree. This should be about you wanting to be an entrepreneur with your tech skills. So this intro to programming. Master the skills required to become a front-end web developer and start building beautiful, responsive websites. So under this one, we have 3 courses. Intro to HTML and CSS, Intro to Python, and JavaScript basics. So once you know all these 3 courses, you already have the introduction to programming degree. Though there won't be certificates for it, but you have the knowledge and you have the skills, which I believe is the main point. What is the essence of that certificate if you don't know what you are doing? Then we have the front-end web developer Nano degree. So under this front-end, you have like 13 courses. Even front-end interview preparation too is there. 13 courses. Now imagine just taking all these 13 in and knowing everything that was taught. in the videos or more. Don't you know that from that, if you are in level 1 before, you don't know anything in a programming, and you are in level, maybe let's just say level 0, by the time you finish all these 13 courses and know what you are doing, you'll be like level 100. You'll be like level 100. You can just go and take any free courses on Udemy that will give you certificates, and just do some projects, build some projects based on your skills. You are good to go. Now, let's now talk about how you can enroll for all these courses. Now, take for instance, if you want to do this front-end web developer program, front-end web developer nano degree program, then you now enroll for each of these courses one after the other. You enroll into into all these courses one after the other. Like now, if I want to enroll into intro to HTML and CSS, I'll just click on it. It will take me to Udacity. Wow. We couldn't find the page we requested. It may have been moved or deleted. Let's go back. Yeah, me. Let's check this one to responsive web design. You can see this one is there, and it is what? Free. You can see free. It is free. So if you now want to know prerequisite, no experience needed, you don't even need any experience to take this course, you can just click on enroll now. When you click on enroll now, then you can sign up with your Google account, or you just sign up with email. And once you finish signing up, just log in. Once you are log in, go back. Let's see on that front end. Go back. Then click on the second course, responsive images. You can see it's also there, free. And the course was last updated March 7, 2022. Free. Then you can just enroll. Once you are logged in, you just enroll automatically. Free. You are not paying for it. You will access this first class training. Enroll now. Just click on enroll now, and the course will be in your catalog, or what they call it, in your learning your learning dashboard. Even this one, to no experience required. Let's check another course from this. Intro to jQuery. And this one too is there. It's free. So just enroll as many of the courses, no experience required. So just enroll as much as you like. And even in the data analyst nano degree program, you can see all the courses: intro to descriptive, intro to inferential statistics, intro to data analysis, data wrangling with MongoDB, data analysis with R, intro to machine learning, data visualization, and D3.js, intro to HTML, and so on. This is machine learning engineer. This is predictive analytics. Click on view details to see all the courses. This is 100 basics, 100 basics user interface, 100 basics user inputs, 100 basics multi-screen apps, 100 basics networking, 100 basics data storage. This is 100 developer nano degree too. I think this 100 developer builds on your knowledge from these 100 basics. So developing 100 apps, advanced 100 app development, developing 100 apps with Kotlin, advanced 100 with Kotlin, graduate for 100 and Java, and so on. Material design, 100 web, 100 interview. And this for iOS too. Just click on view details and enroll one after the other. So if you are interested in iOS as developer, just enroll in all these 8 courses and you are good to go. That knowledge, if you sit down doing nothing, you cannot gain it. So let me know if you find this informative in the comment section. And if you want the link, say I will send you the link in the comment section. Bye.